As drone technology continues to advance, enthusiasts and professionals alike are seeking the best tablets for drone control to enhance their flight experience. A reliable tablet provides a larger, clearer view for real-time video, precise navigation, and intuitive control. This guide reviews the best tablets for drone. List number 1. HugeRock X7 Rugged Tablet PC, 2600 nit sunlight readable. The HugeRock X7 Rugged Tablet PC is designed for drone pilots who need unbeatable visibility under direct sunlight. With an ultra-bright 2600 nit display, it outshines nearly every consumer tablet, making it ideal for outdoor drone operations. Whether you're surveying land, capturing cinematic footage, or flying in harsh conditions, this tablet ensures your FPV feed stays crystal clear. Built tough, the X7 is IP68 and STTD810G certified, meaning it's dust-proof, waterproof, and drop-resistant. Its octa-core processor and Android 12 OS ensures smooth performance even when multitasking between drone apps, maps, and telemetry. The tablet also includes 4G LTE connectivity, GPS, and dual-band Wi-Fi, crucial for maintaining live connections with your drone and ground station. Its 7-inch touchscreen is both glove and wet touch compatible, making it perfect for fieldwork. With a large 10,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 10 hours of continuous use, perfect for long flight missions.
List number 2. HugeRock X7 Rugged Tablet 7-inch. The HugeRock X7 7-inch rugged tablet strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. Engineered for outdoor drone use, it features a bright 1200 nit display, ensuring you get a clear view of your drone footage even under strong sunlight. Its compact size makes it easy to mount onto most drone controllers without adding unnecessary weight. Powered by an octa-core processor and Android 12 system, this tablet handles drone apps like DJI Fly, Q Ground Control, and Litchi with ease. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, though expandable to 256GB, provide ample space for flight logs and HD video recording. Its IP68 waterproof and dust-proof rating guarantees reliable use in rugged environments, while the Corning Gorilla Glass screen resists scratches and impacts. The 10,000 mAh battery ensures extended runtime during fieldwork or aerial filming sessions.
List number 3. Alcatel RT3 Pro Rugged Tablet. The Alcatel RT3 Pro Rugged Tablet combines strength, speed, and clarity, ideal for drone pilots who work in challenging environments. Its 8-inch FHD display with 700 nit brightness provides excellent visibility, while its IP69K and MIL STD810H certifications ensure it can handle drops, dust, and water exposure. Running on an octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, it delivers exceptional performance for demanding drone control apps and real-time video streaming. The Android 14 OS ensures fast response times and broad app compatibility. A major highlight is its 22,000 mAh massive battery, which offers up to 24 hours of continuous operation, ideal for long drone sessions in remote locations. It also supports 18-watt fast charging, minimizing downtime between flights.
List number 4. Alcatel RT3 Rugged Tablet. Built for durability and reliability, the Alcatel RT3 Rugged Tablet delivers consistent performance in both indoor and outdoor conditions. Its 8-inch HD display offers vivid colors and sharp imagery, suitable for viewing drone camera feeds and navigation data. Equipped with Android 13 OS and an octa-core processor, this tablet ensures smooth operation for all major drone software. With 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, you'll have plenty of power and space for flight applications, maps, and media files. The RT3's IP68 and IP69K ratings make it resistant to water, dust, and shocks. while the 100,000 mAh battery provides extended power for full-day drone operations. It also supports dual SIM 4G connectivity, ensuring that live streaming and map synchronization are never interrupted.
List number 5. Axonin Mini Drone with HD Camera. The Axonin Mini Drone with HD Camera is the perfect entry-level device for beginners and hobbyists exploring aerial photography. While not a tablet itself, it includes compatibility with smartphones and tablets for live FPV streaming and intuitive control via its dedicated app. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this mini drone captures sharp and stable footage. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission allows users to connect their tablet or phone to get a first-person view of every flight. The Axonin Mini Drone features altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode, making it beginner-friendly and easy to control. Its foldable design ensures portability, and the modular batteries provide up to 20 minutes of flight time per charge. When paired with the tablet, the larger display enhances the FPV experience, offering better control and viewing precision during flights.